Hello, so today we are going to work on this Civic. I bought this and the guy that I bought it from hit a deer with it. We have all the parts from the red Civic, and here's some of the parts here that I got. There's a headlight up here that's good. We're going to work on getting all these parts off their damage. This part right here, this frame part here, I'm going to actually cut this, drill out the spot welds. We're gonna go drill it off of the other one too and weld the new piece in. Let's get to work. I don't know if this radiator is good. There's a good chance it's not, since it's kind of twisted, but we're just gonna start unbolting stuff and throwing things away. I want to try to pull this back out a little bit so I can take the battery out a little easier and stuff. Try to see what's actually broken here and stuff. This tray is pretty well shot, which I might have another one of those. The battery tray itself looks fine. That will bend back. That looks okay. Everything there looks fine. The radiator hose is definitely kinked, but that's understandable. You get this bumper off. Now this, pull back. There, it's like brand new. Unfortunately, it did actually get through these right here, or else that probably would have still been good. Radiator, I'm not 100% sure. Probably definitely gonna leak right here if it hasn't already. Alright, so I got the good one off of the other Civic, and it actually came off really nice. I didn't have to bend it or anything. Now, what we're going to need to do is test fit it in here and try to make sure all the pieces that are slightly bent are where they need to be, judging based off of this red one. This side should be lined up perfectly, so I'm going to get that lined up and then move my way over here. This piece over here should be really good too. This piece was the most bent up, so I'm pretty much gonna spot weld all the parts that I know are straight or really close to being straight, and then I'm gonna bend like this piece to match the red one, and it should turn out pretty good. Right here, this piece that comes up to right here is actually still on the car. You can see it right here. So what I'm gonna do is drill these 3 spot welds out, take this piece off, and then when I get all back in there, I can weld that one onto this piece here, and then that'll be how it was from the factory. All right, I need to get this radiator out of here because I need to put a new one in, and I found a store that has one, so I'm gonna go get that in a little bit. But I need to get this out of here. Should come out fairly easily. Get these wires out of the way. Nope, not empty. This bumper got a little twisted because I had just thrown in that car down there, and it kind of just got warped from sitting for so long. I mean, it'll be fine. Once it's on there, hopefully it'll work itself out. I think that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.